Hi, this is Mrs. Hosmer, and I made a basic math review. It's 50 math problems, time for practice, and there's a 5-minute timer on there, and please do not use your calculator. I'm just going to go through the slides. Okay, so it tells you to multiply. You'll type your answer in the rectangle, but afterwards, if you have the slides, a copy of the slides, you can move the rectangle, and I have the answers underneath each one. Okay, and then it tells you to divide, add the fractions, simplify, add the fractions, reduce if needed, subtract the fractions, reduce if needed, divide the fractions, add the decimals, subtract the decimals, multiply the decimals, divide the decimals, reduce, which fraction is bigger, change the decimal to a fraction, change the fraction into a decimal, multiply the fractions, reduce if possible, put an order from smallest to biggest, multiply, divide, change the fraction into a decimal, put the correct symbol. You're going to drag and pull the symbol, whichever symbol you think it is. Oop. Let's go back. So you would drag the symbol to the middle here. And add the integers, subtract the integers. What numbers are represented on the number line with a blue dot? Multiply the integers, divide the integers, reduce. Graphing, what are the coordinates for the smiley face? Solve the word problem. Solve for x. Divide the decimals. Divide integers. Solve for p. Put an order from smallest to biggest. Which fraction is bigger? Change the decimal to a fraction. Divide the fractions. Multiply the fractions, reduce if possible. Subtract the fractions, reduce if needed. Solve the word problem. Multiply the decimals. Subtract the decimals. Add the integers. Subtract the integers. Graphing, what are the coordinates for the heart? Solve for x. And what number is represented on the number line with a smiley face? Put the correct symbol. Again, you're going to drag and pull the symbol. Add the decimals. Multiply the integers. Solve for a. And that would be it. So make sure that you practice, and you can even write it on paper and double check then. If you have the Google Slides, you can do that too. Double check your answers, and then you could see if you can do it in faster time. And the ones that you don't know, that's what you need to go back and try and figure out how you solve the problem. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe.